Welcome to NegEasyDrawing. Hi guys, it's Negar. Today I'm drawing and coloring a cute lollipop. Let's draw together.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel.
Woo!
Build it up with iron and steel, my fair
Green.
lady.
Pink,
Iron and
Blue.
steel will bend and bow, bend and bow,
Purple.
bend and bow. Iron and steel will
Yellow.
bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
orange,
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
red.
Dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little birdie picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Please subscribe and like. Thank you guys.